Hey everyone, in this video, we'll talk about whether you can have more than one Cash App account and how to set it up safely and easily. Yes, you can absolutely have multiple Cash App accounts. The key is that each account must be linked to a unique phone number or email address. This flexibility is great for people who want to separate business and personal transactions or manage different budgets independently. To create a second Cash App account, first log out of your current one. Then follow the regular sign up process, but this time use a different phone number or email address. Each account will go through its own verification process to keep your information secure. Having two accounts can make things more organized. For example, using one for personal spending and the other for business payments. It helps you track your finances more clearly and keep things separate. But before managing multiple accounts, remember a few things. It can be tricky to keep track of transactions across both accounts, so review your history often. Always stay alert about security and make sure your login details are different for each one. And yes, you can even use the same social security number for two accounts, as long as each has a unique email or phone number. So, to sum it up, yes, you can have more than one Cash App account. Just use a different email or phone for each, stay organized, and manage your money smartly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick finance guides.